Have you ever looked up at the stars and wondered how it all ends? The universe doesn't last forever, and neither does our home within it, the Milky Way galaxy. Today, we're diving into the three most fascinating and terrifying theories about how our galaxy might meet its doom. In the vast expanse of the cosmos, galaxies are not static islands of light. They drift, they spin, and sometimes, they collide. And that brings us to theory number 1, the Andromeda collision. In about 4 billion years, the Andromeda galaxy, our massive spiral neighbor, is expected to crash into the Milky Way. But hold on, galaxies are mostly empty space. The likelihood of individual stars colliding is incredibly small. Instead, picture this, a celestial dance. As Andromeda approaches, its gravity will tug at the Milky Way, distorting our galaxy's familiar spiral shape. Stars will be flung into new orbits, creating dazzling streams of light across the sky. The end result? An entirely new galaxy, larger and more spherical, nicknamed Milkomeda. Our second theory takes us from the drama of galactic collisions to the cold, hard truth of thermodynamics. It's called heat death, and it goes way beyond the fate of just our galaxy. Picture this. The universe is expanding, and as it does, it cools. Stars, those great cosmic furnaces, gradually exhaust their fuel and flicker out. One by one, like lights going out across a vast city, the stars will die. Even black holes will eventually evaporate through Hawking radiation, leaving behind nothing but a faint whisper of energy. Galaxies, including our Milky Way, will drift apart, becoming like isolated islands in an ever-expanding sea of darkness. The Milky Way, along with all its remnants and memories, will simply fade into a cold, silent void, a cosmic graveyard. For our final theory, we turn our attention inward, to the heart of the Milky Way. Lurking there is a sleeping monster, Sagittarius A*, a supermassive black hole millions of times the mass of our Sun. Now, most of the time, supermassive black holes are relatively quiet neighbors. They feed on gas and dust, occasionally pulling in a star for a snack. But what if something wakes the monster? Imagine this. A rogue black hole, flung in from a distant galaxy, gets too close to Sagittarius A*. Their immense gravity pulls on each other, sending them spiraling closer in a deadly dance. As they merge, they unleash a gravitational storm of unimaginable power. Stars are ripped apart, orbits are thrown into chaos, and vast amounts of matter are consumed, fueling the growth of an even more massive black hole. While it might not completely destroy the Milky Way, it could leave it scarred, warped, and a shadow of its former self. Chapter 4. A looming deadline, the end of our Sun. The end of the Milky Way is a cosmic drama, billions of years in the making. But here's the twist. Our own Sun has a deadline, and it's a lot sooner than any of the galactic scenarios we've discussed. In about 5 billion years, our Sun will begin its final act. Having exhausted the hydrogen fuel in its core, it will expand into a red giant engulfing the orbits of Mercury, Venus, and possibly even Earth. So while the Milky Way faces its own ultimate fate billions of years from now, life on Earth as we know it has a more limited time frame. Chapter 5. The most likely scenario, a cosmic forecast. So, we've explored 3 possible endings for our galaxy, a collision, a slow fade, and a black hole rampage. Which one is most likely according to the best scientific understanding? Most astronomers agree that the Andromeda collision is the most probable first chapter in the Milky Way's demise. The evidence for this impending galactic merger is quite strong based on the galaxy's current positions and movements, but even the mighty Milkomeda won't be immune to the eventual heat death of the universe. Chapter 6. Our Cosmic Perspective. A moment in time. Faced with the ultimate fate of our galaxy, indeed of the universe itself, we might be tempted to despair. But I believe there's a different way to look at it. The end of the Milky Way isn't something to fear. It's a reminder of how precious our time is. We are alive at this moment, on this planet, with the universe unfolding around us. We're passengers on a starship called Earth, flying through the vastness of space. We have a limited time to explore, to learn, to create, and to appreciate the beauty of the cosmos. Outro. The universe beckons. The end of the Milky Way is a reminder of the grand cycles of creation and destruction that govern the cosmos. It tells us that even the most seemingly permanent structures in the universe are transient, subject to the relentless march of time. So, let us continue to explore, to question, and to marvel at the wonders of the cosmos, for as long as we have the privilege of inhabiting this pale blue dot we call home.